Obviously many students after completion of their Cambridge reading ask that they are now confused what actually they have to study after completion of Cambridge, what readings are good for them, are there any authorized readings and some kind of readings that actually contain good level of questions they are finding. So first obviously they have to complete Cambridge only, because this series contain good level of questions, and you will be familiar with the types of questions and the level of the exam also, because it contains a combination of tough and easy level of questions, tough and easy level of passages and the readings. So Cambridge obviously is a must for every student. But after Cambridge, what you can do is you can just go to Google and search IELTS fever readings, and if many of the students are already doing it, that is good. IELTS fever contains ample of reading material, like you will never feel lack of reading PDFs when you are doing it from IELTS fever. And there are number of certainly good level of readings that you will find, and question answer to the questions will be easily available in the IELTS fever also. The all the PDFs are printable, and you can easily get them printed and you will be sorted. But after completion of IELTS fever, like you might not be interested in doing all the readings of from a single source obviously, and I also suggest don't do the material from the single source only. You have to try multiple sources in order to get more exposure, right? So after doing some readings from IELTS fever, obviously you will be finding out something else. So what you can do is you can search for Phil Biggerton. Phil Bickerton's IELTS reading can also be found easily on the Google. You have to Google it, Phil Bickerton's reading PDF, and whatsoever website is providing it for free, you can download and get them printed. Okay, and after that, it's upgrade that is being ignored or sometimes missed by most of the students. They just do the Cambridge and here and there do the readings of their institutes and nothing else. But the thing is, upgrade is very very important when it comes to TEF level of exam readings, because it is also like Cambridge, these readings are also prescribed by IELTS. Some of these readings, like sometimes upgrade readings are also reading books are also sent to the students directly from the IDP when they fail the exam. To upgrade is important. This thing shows that upgrade is very important. And listenings of the upgrade are also, some of the listenings are very fast and will give you again good exposure and experience of how a tough listening can be. So obviously you have to be ready for the exam conditions. When you have to be ready for exam conditions, you have to prepare both kind of material, tough and easy. So upgrade will give you that opportunity of preparing the tough material. Okay, so upgrade ki listening you can find on the YouTube, and reading also you can find if you search on the Google, and that is again nothing to miss. Then comes actual exam readings. This is again, you can say, last but not the least thing I want to say. And there is also again one tip: actual exam readings. So actual exam readings, where to find? The first source is Makkad ones. If you purchase the book, that is good. If you can find the old PDFs also, that is also fine, because obviously the latest book will be chargeable. You would have to pay for the latest edition. So you can have the old edition also of Makkad reading, because that contains actual exam reading. Sometimes there are, although very rare chances are there, but sometimes you may get the same reading from those readings that have come in the previous exams. So there are rare chances, but again there are certain chances that you may get the same reading that you prepare if you do the actual exam readings, means those readings that have come in the actual exam. The first source to prepare actual exam reading is Makkad, and the second source is IELTS online tests. IELTS online test mein there are certain again series or sections they have made, and you have to go to the actual exam reading sections, and that you will be fine if you scroll a little bit. So IELTS online test will provide you actual exam readings, and you have to do all the readings from there. And also if there is any other third party source that is providing you actual exam reading, you can easily rely on that, because there are actually certain kind of readings out there, those who are from the actual exams, and those are viral on the Google, so you can do that. After that, an important tip that I want to give to academic students is that they have to do the GT first and the second, first section and the second section of the GT readings also. Because GT के first second section में ये benefit होता है, like out of the three sections, जो उसका third वाला जो है वो long passage होता है, the third passage is long passage only, but the first and the second are the short pamphlets, kind of short passages kind of thing, but those are of kind of a confusing level. Those do not contain vocabulary, do not contain much vocabulary. The plus point is you will be able to get opportunity of doing the confusing questions, because those are, according to me, really confusing questions without any vocabulary. So it will give you an opportunity to how to see the question word by word and understand the text. So lot of things you will learn if you start doing the general training first and second readings also. For academic students, this is the tip. So thank you guys. If you like the video, please hit the like button and share this video with your friends who are struggling with their IELTS preparation. Thank you.